Hello kiddos, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a new sound for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here are the previous sounds. Before we learn something new, please tell me the sounds what you are looking at the screen. Alright, have you got them? S, A, T, E. These are the sounds that we have done so far, and today we are going to do our next sound that is right here on your screen in the form of a story. Listen to the story carefully and try to get the sound. Nicola has always wanted to go fishing with her grandfather. She is Nicola. Up until now, he has always said no. You will get bored and make too much noise and you will scare the fish away. You can come when you get bigger. But now, Nicola is 5 and her grandfather has agreed to take her fishing for an afternoon. Grandfather sets up the fishing rod and puts his net in the pond. Then he places a bucket on the ground and they both settle down to fish. Nicola sits very still and waits very quietly. She watches all the birds and insects flying around over the pond. It is very peaceful. Suddenly, Nicola and her grandfather hear a very loud and very nasty noise. A plane is flying overhead. The plane does a noisy loop-the-loop in the sky above them. Grandfather doesn't like the nasty noise and puts his hands over his ears. Nicola looks at her grandfather and laughs. You were worried I would make too much noise? Even I am never that noisy. And with a swoop and swirl, she runs up and down on the bank, pretending that she is a plane. Can you open your arms like Nicola and take out the sound? So dear all, do you get any idea what is our today's sound? It is You need to open your arms and pretend to be a plane. Say the sound just like this noisy plane. Now let's check this out. This is how we write This is the shape of And it's time to tell you how you will form this sound. Your first finger in the air, please. Go straight down. Come up on the same line, round and down. Check once again. Start from the stick. Go straight down, up, round and down. Please remember that we write in the middle two lines. Don't write it somewhere above these lines or below these lines. Right? Now, if you have got this worksheet with you, start writing And remember, whenever you write you need to say the sound too. Let's get started. Mm. 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 And now it's your turn to write in the blue lines. You can pause the video if you haven't finished and then can resume. In the blue lines, go down, come up, go down, come up on the same lines, go down, come up on the same line, and there you are. You did a good job. Well done. Now we have our second worksheet with us. In this worksheet, we need to circle the pictures in which we hear the sound and leave the one that don't have sound in them. Got it? So let's get started. Night or day? Night, day. You can pause the video here, finish the worksheet yourself, and then come back to check your answers. Nose, wig. Nose, wig. Nose. I hear it here. Needle, camel. Needle, camel. Needle. Book, newspaper. Book, newspaper. Newspaper. I hear here. Nuts, cow. Nuts, cow. Nuts. I hear in nuts. Did you circle the same things? Kudos, you are awesome. Good job again. Now we have another worksheet to solve. Here we need to put a check below things that have sound and cross out that don't have the sound, right? You can pause the video here, do it yourself, or if you want to do it with me, here you go. Necklace, necklace. I hear in necklace. Slide, slide, slide. No Nine, nine, nine. We have here. Ninja, ninja, ninja. We have here too. Scooty, scooty, scooty. We have not so we will cross it. Nurse, nurse, nurse. We have in nurse. Check it. Now it's your time to draw a picture of anything that has sound in it. Hope you are done with this one too. Well done. And now is the time for the most important thing, that is blending. We are going to read some words. The first is in, in. Quickly, in. P, pen. Say quickly, pen. T, t, ten. Quickly, ten. E, ne, nip. Quickly, nip. A, nap. Nap. Quickly, nap. T, a, ta. Tan. Quickly, tan. You are amazing. Keep doing this practice at home too. And now it's time for segmenting. Take out your notebooks and try to write the words that I'm telling you to write. Get it started. The first thing that I want you to write is Can you write it in right lines? Here you go. This is Can you write s? S. S. This is s. Please write a. 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 Write t. T. Here you are. Can you write p? P. P. Can you please write e? E. E. Here you go. Now please listen to the word carefully and try to segment it. Nap. nap. Now listen to this word carefully and try to segment it. Now listen to this word carefully and try to get the sounds. Nap, nap. Help me to write it. A, nap, nap. Can you write tin, tin, t, t. The second sound is I, t. Tin. Can you write the word sit, sit, sit? S, I, si, si. We have the I sound here. Sit, sit. This is sit. Wow! If you have written all of them like this, let's shout, hooray! You are amazing! And with this, we are towards the end of our lesson. This worksheet is just for you. Say the names of these objects and color the ones in which you hear the n sound. This one is narwhal, ship, notebook, dress, nails. Now you can decide better in which you need to do the coloring. And let's wind up our lesson with a homework. The first thing you need to do is to find 5 objects around you in which you hear the n sound, and then you can make a nurse cap with origami. Means paper folding. You can fold a paper to make a nurse cap, but for that you need to watch a tutorial that is in the description box, and you will also need the help of an adult. Hope you will do this. Hope you will revise all the previous sounds and this one too. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can watch all the videos one after another. Bye.